Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my vegetable garden. So I have a small space, a little property 2 minutes from my home where I grow vegetables. This year I have grown some too, and here they are. So I started planting them in the month of November. I sowed some seeds and bought some saplings, and here they are. Right now I have harvested a lot of them, and I'm going to show you some of the things that I have grown. They're all in the ground. I just planted them and I did not fertilize them or anything. I just watered them. Though this year I couldn't even water them properly, but they're still doing great. It's amazing to see how with no care you can grow beautiful vegetables in your garden. Here I have some broccolis. I planted them late, so you don't see any broccolis yet. I'm hoping to get them soon. These are radish flowers. They're actually looking nice. Here's a little cauliflower. Here's another one. They're small. This is a capsicum plant, just one capsicum plant. These are called, I think, turnips. We call them olgopi. They might. Here we have some coriander. And here I have cabbage. So this is the first time I'm growing cabbage in my garden, and they're looking fine. There's a little bit of caterpillar problems, but anyways, they're great. I hope I will be able to eat them. And here are the cauliflowers. They're the big ones, ready to be harvested. They're doing great. A few cosmos. Here are tomatoes. I have also planted a few flowering plants. This is a dahlia. You can see it's blooming. Really nice color. I also have some marigolds, some poppies, salvias. This is brinjal. So I planted 5 plants this year, and I'm having quite nice produce. I wrap them in plastic so they don't get any pest attack. Here you can see corianders, beautiful corianders growing without any care, fresh, organic, pest-free. Smells amazing and tastes amazing. Here are some radish plants. And here's a little radish. We also have a mango tree, and here are the mangoes. Can you see them? I'm having mangoes in winter season. I've also grown turnips this year, first red turnips, and they're growing great. They're ready to be harvested. I've also grown carrots, but they're not big yet. So here was a little video of my vegetable garden. Unfortunately, I have not taken a lot of videos. I will try to take more videos, and I will try to make videos on each vegetable. Let me know what you think about my vegetables. I hope you are growing amazing plants in your garden. I am really enjoying my vegetables a lot. Stay tuned. I will be posting a lot more videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.